Hey everybody, how y'all doing? April Glam Bag is here. So if you want to see what I got in my variation and get my opinion on this month's bag, then stay tuned. See you in a few minutes. Bye. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Joy. Welcome to Joyful and Triumphant. I'm here with another makeup unzipping for the April Glam Bag from IPSY, which is now with BoxyCharm. So yeah, let's get into it, shall we? So this month's theme is anything is possible, the little flowers and everything. And so they're basically talking about, how they're combined with BoxyCharm now and everything is new and with spring and how spring symbolizes rebirth, renewing, um, becoming new. Everything is new. So yeah. So the Glam Bag subscription is $13.99 a month. You get 5 deluxe sample size products. You get to pick, I think we got to pick 3. And so the products in your bag are worth $70 or more. I totaled up this variation that I got this month and it was $136. So you're definitely getting your money's worth with the monthly subscription for Glam Bag. So this month's Glam Bag has the little flowers on it in blue. It's blue and white. On the back it says look good, do good. And then it also has the signature little, it'll be some kind of zipper pull that has the IPSY brand name on it. So in the variation that I received, and I picked a lot of skincare products this month, not too many makeup things because I had a really big haul last month of makeup products, even though one of my things came empty from BoxyCharm. Y'all couldn't believe it. The box was empty when I got it. I had ordered all kind of good stuff. I had ordered like Fenty products. What I had Fenty, Too Faced. I had all the good stuff that they had in the drop shop, and my box came empty because they didn't tape it up right. So I hope now, since IPSY has BoxyCharm, that stuff will be packaged better because that just didn't make no sense. But anyway, enough ranting about my BoxyCharm issues. Let's get into my IPSY Glam Bag. So the first item that I got is the Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis and Dead Sea Mineral Facial Scrub. This product retails for $29. And this is what it looks like. And it's a facial scrub, gets rid of rough skin, clears out clogged pores. Again, it has propolis and Dead Sea minerals in there. So Dead Sea salt and beeswax, hey, it's a good facial scrub. Leave your face nice and soft and smooth. It says to apply it with very light pressure, massaging into your skin for the best results. And again, the manufacturer retail price for this is $29. So I'm looking forward to trying it out. The next item is the Grown Alchemist hand cream in vanilla and orange peel, and this is it right here. Now I picked a Grown Alchemist product last month as well. I picked the face moisturizer and I really liked it, so I wanted to try this one out too. This smells really, really good. It smells more citrusy than vanilla. You really don't smell the vanilla too much. And I know a lot of people don't like vanilla scent. I do. So I was hoping to have like a good balance of the two, but it's more citrusy than it is vanilla. So a lot of people might like that. And this product retails for $26. And I did try it out. It's a nice smooth hand lotion. It leaves your hands feeling really soft. Yeah, I like it. Let me take it out. I'll show it to you guys. So this is it. Again, nice packaging. And it's just a simple cream, lotion cream. And again, it smells more citrusy to me. The vanilla comes through after a while, but it's not overpowering. So, if you got it in your box, you might like it. I like it. But I'm a vanilla kind of scent girl anyway. The next product is the Shayna B Miami Bee Brazen eyeshadow duo, and this retails for $23. And this is it. Very pretty, very gorgeous. I'll swatch it. So I swatched it. You can hardly see it, but that's how it looks. I've gotten this eyeshadow duo before in my IPSY bag, and I like it, so got it again. The next one is a new product. I've never heard of this brand before or the product, but I'm really, really impressed with its ingredients and things. And that is the Ren Clean Skincare Glycol Lactic Radiant Renewal Mask. So it's an exfoliator, and it retails for $58. And it has 3 different types of um acids in it. It has glycolic, lactic, and tartaric acids to help smooth out textured skin, minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles and pores, and fades dark spots. Hello Glow. So I am really looking forward to using this. Now I already got a good skincare routine going, but eventually I'm gonna try this out too and see how it does. But based on the ingredients alone, I'm impressed with it already. And again, this retails for $58. And then the last item in my bag is from Cab Cosmetics. It's a lip liner in red velvet. It is very creamy, and this retails for $18. Yeah, $18. It's very soft. It's very creamy. It looks more pinkish to me than red. But uh, I'll do this. I'll let y'all see it. That's how it looks. I don't even know if you can see it, but it looks more pink to me than reddish. When I think red velvet, I'm thinking red. It looks more like a dusty rose color to me, but like I said, it's creamy. I'll use it with one of my like nude pink lipsticks that I have. So yeah, this is the variation that I got for my April Glam Bag. Drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about what I got. Did you get some of the same products, or what did you get in your glam bag? Are you happy with the new merger between IPSY and BoxyCharm? My BoxyCharm box is on the way. So I'll be doing a review on it soon, but I'm quite pleased with the glam bag. Ready to hit the drop shop sale and see what they got good in there. But once again, yeah, my name is Joy. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you really like it and you want to see more content, go and hit that subscribe button. I love y'all. Hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I have a wide variety of content. I have makeup reviews, unboxings, unzippings for IPSY and BoxyCharm. If you're looking for inspirational content, check out my playlist called Joyful Jubilations. where I have encouraging words to help you in your walk with Christ, because you got to keep God first in everything that you do. And when the road gets a little bit rough, you can pop on one of those videos from Joyful Jubilations and get some encouragement. Also, if you're a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, hey Soros, hey, check out my Delta Box reviews on my Delta Box playlist. I'll also be reviewing other paraphernalia, vendors and things of that nature. Anything Delta on my Delta channel. So yeah, Soros, go subscribe and support your Soros and share my video. Delta Box for April review is coming up. Video will be up tonight or tomorrow. But you can go ahead and check out March's review, since the box just got here last week. But anyway, I know it ain't Dear Delta's fault. I don't know what's going on with the delivery services, but yeah, they all been kind of slacking here lately. But yeah, I'm Joy. I hope you like this video. Hope you like my channel. Take the time, go around and explore. Until the next time, in the next video, I'll see you later. Bye.